Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also thank the Honourable Vosarogo for seeking this clarification. The Ministry, Honourable Speaker, through its Land Use Division, is responsible or is tasked from the early days to administer this land buyback scheme. And the scheme really, by design, Honourable Speaker, allows the Itauke landowners an opportunity to buy back their customary land, and that is facilitated by the government buying it off the freeholder, and then selling it or having it held over to the landowning unit interest-free. This initiative, Honourable Speaker, was designed to address the long-standing grievances arising from the land expropriation that dates back to colonial times. It has been a consistent and up until now a emotional and heartfelt plea from some Itauke communities, and the government believes that renewing it this year is a balanced approach, both in acknowledging these historical injustices and ensuring a return on government investment in freehold lands. I must emphasize to this House and also to the members of the public, Mr. Speaker, sir, the buyback scheme from the start and when it's renewed this year has always had a very noble intention. Secondly, it is only done between willing buyers and willing sellers. The purchase by government for the landowners has always been done on arm's length principle. I'm aware, Honourable Speaker, that there are some who seek to provide an alternative, or some political landscapers who are spreading assumption and some an outright lie that it is a government-sponsored land grab. Far from it, Mr. Speaker, sir. Freehold land, as you'd know, cannot be taken unless the freeholder accepts to part with his or her freehold title. In definition in law, freehold titles are indefeasible, and the interests of the freehold title holder takes precedence over everybody else. Coming to the question, Honourable Speaker, in 1989, the Ministry was allocated a budget of $3.7 million for the purchase of 24 lots. A further allocation of $2 million was made in 1993 to continue that initiative. During the period in question, the Ministry facilitated the purchase of additional 6 land parcels on behalf of the original landowners or land-owning unit. In 1989, Munia Island in Vanua Balawu, 1991, Tuvumada Estate in Taviuni, Matakunea Estate and Koronrongo in Maduata, 1992, Mua Estate in Taviuni and Wairuku Estate in Sausagu. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry fully acknowledges the financial challenges that are faced by these landowning units to meet their payment obligation to government. Now, as part of the buyback 3.0 scheme for this phase this year, the Ministry is seeking to work closely with other stakeholders, including government agencies who are able to facilitate support to the landowning units in developing income-generating projects. These partnerships aim to empower landowners economically, helping them to meet their commitments and sustainably manage the land that they're able to buy back. At the, as we speak, Mr. Speaker, sir, there are 15 of the 24 landowning units that have some of their repayments yet to be completed. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I thank the